Hi there. My name is Linda, and I'm a master hypnotist, a registered nurse, an author, and creator of Transformative Hypnotherapy. And I'm here today to talk to you about a class that I'm offering, a class that oh, from work I started about 3 decades ago, helping women to heal from unwanted pregnancies. Women are really shamed in society for wanting an abortion, having an abortion, miscarrying, being unable to conceive or to carry a pregnancy to term. While all of this affects women mainly, it also affects men in their lives. And this work really is fantastic for not only helping women to release all these emotions of shame and guilt, of unworthiness, of grief, of anger, regret, that when kept in the body and not resolved, can lead to physical issues such as fibroids and cysts and even cancer. The work is so rewarding because it allows women to be free of all of these burdens and to continue on to live a healthier, happier life. Doing this work with couples is really rewarding and a lot of fun and really beautiful to see partners together going through the process of either letting go or deciding that, yes, this is a very wanted child and bringing a happy, healthy child into the world. So anyway, if any of this interests you, I'd be really happy to share all of what I know and what I do in my class. So consider joining. Thank you and bye.